2 pair.
Which one?
8 and 10.
What was your second card?
So you had 2 8s and 2 10s?
Second card is 7.
We would have tied. I had an 8 and a 10. I assume you had an 8 and like an ace or something? Or like 8 and something higher?
No, I don't play that smartly. Just play based off vibes. Why do you do that? You afraid? You scared? Huh? Oh.
Buenos dias, chicos. Today we're headed across a few states to go to my friend's grandfather's farm. He passed away recently, and we're gonna look through his things and help them move some stuff. I'm so excited. And we're gonna make a few stops along the way. Find interesting things to do. They've been telling me that the town is like straight out of a book. So I'm very excited to experience that. Yesterday, Trina, Theo, Dustin, Jonathan, and I drove a few states over. The road stretched on forever, a white truck under the sun.
Whoa. No fucking way, bro. I smashed my glasses. Oh, no.
As I melt into the leather seat, my friends play songs I've never heard.
We've seen Stranger Things.
Each note seeps into my skin, my bones, and I watch them turn into birds, fly out of our windows. Old friends tell new stories. They land differently in my bloomed heart.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like it's warm when you kicked it in there. So pretty.
When we arrived at the old barn, boys put on their work boots. The air is damp with dew and sweat. I step carefully into the treasure trove as if there were a dragon atop the roof, sleeping just where we couldn't see him. We find plates from France, a leather bag full of tools I've never seen, dusty cookbooks, rusty hatchets, ornate rugs, an old roll of film. The objects all carry a strange feeling, a sort of emptiness on the fingertips. And just beyond that, deep souls full of life. When people die, it seems they leave behind little pieces of their spirits. Like rain, they embed themselves into the things and people they loved. I find the soul of my dear friend's grandmother in Ichiko.
To like run out here and just follow and imagine like the woods were my home, and I was like kind of like Alice in Wonderland-y. And one time I was like 23.
After some time, we feel the great field calling to us, inviting us to sit. Oh my god.
Look at that sky. This is what being
Truly. As we bathe out under the sky, our conversation unfolds like a lotus. What?
Oh. River, you're gonna expose my brother as being a skinwalker. Oh,
Please!
Oh, wait.
I see Trina, and she sees me.
You're in my frame, bro. You're getting like the wood. I'm getting the sky.
Theodore, you need to get the sky.
We plant seeds into each other's hearts as the sun kisses our faces. I was made for much in this life, but in this moment, I was made only for this.
Is that actually you? No, it's not him. It's not him. Bro, just calling out red flags.
As we drive home and into the night, the music envelops us until I become the wind through my hands and hair.
Are we getting lit tonight? I haven't had a drink in like almost 12 months.
The sunset bathing us in long golden light.
Flat tire. Well, not flat. I think we just need to pump it up.
Family is a funny thing. Sometimes we find it when we least expect it.
Hey, I gotta pee really bad. There's like, I don't really know where we are. I'm praying that there's like no cameras. But I think... Is this somebody's house? Oh, fuck. Alright. Alright. I'm thinking behind the shed. Because it's all houses out here or just like...
Oh,